Today we'll be looking at the common technical issues with MET and MES series. And as you can see, we have the query code, which is 613, and the relay result. So one of the common ones we have is error 04, which usually is no credit and emergency credit not used. So the simple solution to this is to tell the customer to recharge their meter. Second most common one is meter cover open, which is error 06. So this usually occurs when there's been some form of advanced tamper on the meter itself. So the solution to this is to ask for a manufacturer's clear tamper token. And then the next most common is terminal cover open, error 07. This happens when the terminal cover is not properly tightened. This can be solved by retightening the terminal cover, and most of the times a clear tamper needs to be generated to close the relay. And then the next most common one is error 12, which is module cover open. This is where the SIM card is, the SIM module. So it occurs also when the SIM module is not properly tightened, and can be solved by tightening it. And also it may require a clear tamper token to close the relay. Another common error arises is the meter rejecting tokens, and this usually occurs when the meter is not on the same SGC as the generated token. So the first thing first is to determine what SGC the meter is on, which can be gotten by using the query code 616. So ideally, this SGC is 600341 KRN2 TI1. Those are the ideal parameters. But sometimes, for whatever reasons, these meters are not on that SGC, and then it rejects the code. The saying reject code, it means the meter is not on the same SGC with the generated token, and therefore a KCT needs to be generated to move the meter from whatever SGC it is on to the correct SGC. So to know what SGC the meter is on for MET and MES series, we use 616.